What's up, folks? Back with another video. I'm sitting here chilling in the back of Pop's car. I just took these boxes out. They go to one of the cars. Man, I haven't been vlogging lately. I don't know what's been up. I've been kind of a weird funk. I ain't even made it nowhere to be in the funk. That's why I ain't got enough subscribers. 30 videos and about 70 subscribers. I gotta pick up the pace. But I don't know. I'm sitting here. Sunday, I've been kind of I'm starting to get a little. It's a little better than. So I might as well do something, man. I ain't figured out. I got shorty this darn go-kart. Yeah, it was raining, so got the car be covered up, but see right here, it's an OG Williger's missing here. I've been trying to figure out what shit I put right there. I might have came up with some idea. Don't be laughing at me, idea. But we'll see, idea. Alright. So what I came up was with this. I gotta get this piece off. And this will sit, I just drilled a hole. And it will sit in there. And it will be the handlebar grip. Crooked as hell, but I made it crooked on purpose to make sure it's enough knee and elbow room over there for when you're driving. I could have made it permanent, but I decided to do that. I can also twist the handlebars up higher. Didn't think of. And roll them forward, huh? Or towards you. Ain't bad. That was a major fuck up. We'll go this way. Take a trip to the East End. We're gonna use these old rubber bubbler blubbers. It's alright. It's all we got. It's all we got. It's all we got. I knew I was gonna scratch it already. But that bar works. Just something quick and simple, y'all. I'm gonna do some more rapping on the damn other vet coming real soon. So, hey, thanks for y'all sticking in, whatever, however, staying tuned. If you did this long, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Don't be shy. Come on, man. It's free. Help me out. It don't cost y'all nothing, man. Subscribe. But alright, I'm gonna get with y'all. Peace.